Good morning everyone. Welcome to KasturiKreation. Today I am going to be showing here my step-by-step process for making acrylic pour painting. You have to mix the pouring medium with the thick acrylic paint to thin the color for easy flow. This is the right consistency for flowing. The ratio of the mixing medium depends on the thickness of the paint. You can use the silicone oil if you want the sales. I don't really have much plan for this pouring, but I'm just pouring one after another onto the canvas here and there. It could get little messy, but stick to the end. The end result will be more surprising. You can directly pour this pouring paint onto the surface because the water blue mixing is already done in this paint. You don't need to mix any pouring medium with this paint. I have mentioned this ready to use acrylic pouring paint in the description box. You can check it there. There are many different techniques for pouring and each of them gives different kind of results. This one is very basic for beginners. These have been really fun and more relaxing way to create. You can blow the colors with the help of blower or any kind of straw to make the patterns. You never have the complete control over the paint that what will happen with the pour. But you can guide the paint by flipping the board so that the paint will flow in which direction you want it to pour. Pick up the canvas and flip the board so that the paint will start moving around. I am not quite happy with this area, so I am adding more additional colors on that area where I want it. Is not it easy, guys? It's super simple. Even if you never painted before in your life, you can do this masterpiece. Even children can also create it. You can use torch or hot air gun for making cells, but I don't get much cells here. For the final results of the painting, you need to dry it for 24 to 36 hours. It depends on the thickness of the paintings. When the paint will dry off, the more interesting effects will be seen. Overall, I like these sea green ocean effects. Hope you guys like it. This is the look after complete drying. Thank you for joining me. Hope next part of this painting will be full of fun stuff. Please like, share and do subscribe my channel. It will help me growing. Have some fun. Have a wonderful day. Love you all.